Hello friends, there are several myths attached to the women's reproductive health and mental health. Let's bust some of them for you. So first myth is period pain is always normal. So my answer is no. Mild discomfort is normal, but heavy period pain that is also increasing every month is not a thing that you should ignore. Period pain could be a sign of endometriosis, adenomyosis, fibroid, or any other abnormality. Second myth is irregular periods are always harmless. No, in adolescent age, when periods starts coming in a female, that is around 13 to 14 years, for 1 to 2 years it may occur irregular because hormonal axis is not well established that time, but after that it is completely abnormal. It may be a sign of stress or thyroid dysfunction or adrenal dysfunction. Or third myth is you can't get pregnant during your periods or breastfeeding. So my answer is no. You can get pregnant during your periods. It is less likely, but it can still happen. And in breastfeeding, after 3 months, there are high chances of getting pregnant because lactational amenorrhea only provide protection for 3 months. Fourth myth is vaginal discharge is always a bad sign. So no, if vaginal discharge is not exceeding in amount and if it is not associated with any other signs or symptoms like itching or abdominal pain or foul smell, then it is perfectly normal and it is needed to keep your vagina healthy. Fifth myth is women's mood swings are just hormones and they are a part of being a woman. No, though some amount of mood swings happen around the periods and during pregnancy, but persistent worry, sadness, insomnia, panic attacks, and loss of interest are signs of clinical concerns and they should be investigated. Seeking mental health care is not a sign of weakness. You can be grateful for your life, but still you need support. So these are the some myths that are associated with women's reproductive and mental health, and I've discussed it with you. Share it with someone who need it most and help me to break the stigma. Thank you.